How to fix network connection error in COD Call of Duty. So if you want to fix network connection error in COD or Call of Duty, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your settings on your device. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the developer options. If you don't find it, you can also go with search and search for developer options. Once you find developer options, tap on it. And now you need to scroll down and then find the option of Wi-Fi scan throttling. You'll find the option. So in my case, it's right here. This particular feature will help you to improvise the network performance as well as reduces battery drain. So make sure to toggle this on. If you're someone who uses cellular data to play a mobile game, you can actually toggle on the option of mobile data always active, which will be right here. Always keep mobile data on. You can also turn this option on. Once you enable this, you will notice that the network connection has improvised a lot. Next thing to fix is any of the connection error. You can actually switch up your network connection. You can try either a different Wi-Fi connection or a cellular data. You can also enable airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then turn it off or turn it back on, and your problem will be fixed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.